Guys, ito yung ating barya ngayon guys, ang 1 pound na si Queen Elizabeth II. Mayroon taon na 1993. Tapusin ang video guys para malaman natin ang katotohanan dahil mayroon itong halagang umabot ng 152,360 pesos. A 1993 1 pound most commonly refers to a United Kingdom 1 pound coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II, third portrait and the obverse, and the royal arms on the reverse. Ito yung obverse natin guys, ang third portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael David Maclough. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse, the royal arms of the United Kingdom, which includes a shield supported by a lion and a unicorn with the mottos Dai-iti Mondruit and Huni Sweet Kimal Pensi. Age inscribed with Ticus 80 Tutamin is a Latin phrase that translates to an ornament and safeguard of glory and protection. It was coined by John Evelyn to affair on the age of the coins, which serve the dual purpose of adding a decorative element and preventing the practice of the clipping precious metals from the edge. At yan guys ang nakasulat sa kanyang edge, Tutamin, Dicus T Tutamin. Yan guys, Tutamin. At mayroon itong composition guys na nickel brass. At mayroon ding timbang na 9.5 grams. May diameter na 22.5 mm. At tapos na itong nag-demonetize guys noong 2017. The standard of 1993 1 pound coins was minted the Royal Mint and is common. Some 1993 1 pound coins have an error where the edge lettering is upside down. These are rarer and can have a higher collector's value. Proof and brilliant uncirculated versions were also minted for collectors, such as silver proof and brilliant uncirculated coins. Comments: the second edition of the 1 pound coin in the Heraldic Emblems series, the Eric Sewell Royal Arms Reverse Design, was used for other times earlier in 1983 and later in 1998, 2003, 2008, making a total of 5 times it was issued. This is the only version of the coin with the Maclough third portrait on the obverse and was issued for circulations, as well as part of the annual coin set for 1993 in both proofs and brilliant uncirculated versions. The design was also issued in silver proof and silver pedport. Dito guys sa ating source of information guys sa enomista.com guys, mayroon itong umabot ng 97% ang kanyang frequency. At mayroong ginawa guys na umabot ng 114,744,500 kapiraso. At mayroon tayong presyo nito guys. Ang uncirculated condition ay mayroong 190 pesos. Dito naman sa proof coins, uncirculated condition, 230 pesos. At dito naman guys, sa bioset or uncirculated, 460 pesos guys. At dito naman guys, ating selling online sa AB guys, ay umabot ng 2,600 US dollars ang ating circulated coins. Sa Pilipinas, ay umabot ng 152,300 60 pesos. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.